Hey guys, this is Mike Blackburn with Add-ons. We're going to do a quick little lesson on how to build an auto-blocking policy. Auto-blocking policies can be used if you're not using inventory awareness, for example, and you want to mark a day as sold out, or if you need a certain number of hours before a trip before you allow somebody to book. They can also be used for like outside of your operating area. You can make one to show as sold out so the customer, instead of getting a quote, they'll get a request a quote button. So these are really diverse. You can use these for a lot of different things. We're going to start off really basic, and we're just going to show you how to build one for a specific date or set of dates. So we've got some choices here: less than, greater than, equal to, any of, not each. So any of, for example, would be for a set of days or a set of dates. Now, so we'll start off here. We'll do, and if you put in a year, it's going to respect that year. If you don't put in the year, it's going to do a current year. So we're going to do 1/1/2023, because if we don't put in a year, it'll do 2022. So I've got two dates in. We're just going to comma and then space them out. We're going to add the auto blocking policy right there. And you see it right here. It's added by the person who added it, and then the date. It's not currently active. We need to go in and actually make a couple more adjustments on this one. After we create it, we can give it a name. Sold out dates. So we can say treat as sold out for one. Now that's going to allow the customer to do a request a quote so you can manually quote them. So this is great to use for like outside of your operating area. That way, if you need to grab an affiliate, double check on availability and pricing, you can do so. So we're going to go ahead and block the booking here. This is because, like, so if you have 5 hours out, you need notice, you want to block the booking. So if you send them a quote and then they wait to an hour before the trip, without this checked, they'll be able to book. So we're going to activate it. We're going to mark them to auto loss because I don't even care about following up with them, maybe. And then we're going to put in a reason. If you're treating it sold out, you don't need to put in a reason because they're not going to see that reason page. They're just going to, again, get that auto, that request or quote button. So we can go ahead and change our format. We're going to make it big. Let's make it bold. Let's throw it in the middle. And there you go. So we'll hit Save Changes right here. Now, we can get a little bit more complex here. So if it's going to match on any of these dates, it'll block it. They'll get this. Now, if we wanted to add another factor, it's going to have to match both of those factors in order to qualify for the block. So let's say I know that my vehicle category is any of, we're going to say our buses are all sold out that day, okay? And so any of works for multiple. If you hit equals, that's only for a single. So again, any of these dates, it's never going to match multiple dates at the same time. That's why you don't want to have equals. So right now we've made a more complex blocking policy that says any of these dates and these vehicle category, they're going to get blocked. So we can always clone this and change it, or I could go back in and add more dates if I wanted to down the line. We're just going to hit Save Changes, and you're good to go. So that is how you make an auto blocking policy. And I would highly advise to go ahead and looking at these. These are all valid qualifiers, and these can be used for selection factors, for price adjustments. You know, there's a ton of different options in here, so it really gives you a lot of freedom to do whatever you want. So let us know if you have any problems or questions. I hope you guys are having a great day. Feel free to give us a ring or an email. Thanks so much. Take care.